Today is September 19th, 2018, about a little bit after 4 p.m. and I'm going to check on 4334 Alder in Hilliard, Ohio. Just going to check out and see how progress has been as far as clean out is concerned. So they were here today, and I can tell obviously there's some stuff laying out here that was not here before. So somebody has been here. I went ahead and unlocked the door. Here's the living room. So they have gone through things, emptied out some boxes probably, and got a lot of stuff removed. So they're starting to make some headway on this thing. They've probably taken out a dumpster or something full already. Here's the closet, emptied out. Here's the bathroom. Pretty well emptied out. Linen closet, pretty well emptied out. Still got some stuff in this bedroom, but they've made some headway, no doubt. Just some electronic junk and not a whole lot left, really. Wow, I ever noticed that door? That's funny, isn't it? Look at that door. Whoa. And they sure cleaned out this room. It was pretty bad. Okay. And they've cleaned out this bedroom pretty good. Whoa, what a mess. How filthy can people be? It doesn't really make any sense, does it? I mean, why would somebody live like this? I don't know. Here's the kitchen area. And some junk in there they've gotten sifted through. Got this all squared away. Maybe they're going to keep some of that stuff, who knows. We have the junk people come in and they clean it out for us. And that's the way it is. And all this stuff. The furnace room. Everything's pretty filthy, completely through everywhere. Laundry area. A lot of small stuff gone. Here's the back room, like screened in porch area. All through here. Back in the back here, let's take a look at the garage real quick. Okay, they really, well, it's a little bit different in here. There's some stuff in here. So they're going to come back and get some stuff, obviously, or clean it out completely. That's what we want, and I'll do a video again tomorrow and just double check on that. So that's that. Okay, we're done.